Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how to upload files to ChatGPT. So let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT, log into your account, for example via your Google account. And the following is super simple, guys. Instead of starting a conversation with the AI on ChatGPT, simply click on that icon here to upload a file from a computer, like for example a script or a text or I don't know, anything you like, to give the AI further instructions, of course, as long as it's not related to any immoral or illegal content, of course. Like for instance, I asked ChatGPT in my text file I would like to upload now to write the video script for me, and the instructions are in that text file. So I'm gonna upload that text file here to the conversation with ChatGPT, and let's see how ChatGPT will react to that. And there you go. So the AI has understood the instructions featured in that text file I just uploaded, so that I don't have to type the instructions here manually anymore. You can also upload video files or images, whatever you like, guys, and that way engage with the AI here on ChatGPT. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you later.